I know an easy way to estimate how much home you'll qualify for? Well, I'm going to show you a quick way to get a rough estimate. Take 45% of your income before taxes are taken out. Now, if you're self-employed, none of this will work, so don't listen to me. But if you are W-2'd, follow along. So once you take 45% of your pre-tax income, and you're going to add up any of your auto loans, credit cards, installment loans, any type of debt payments that are going to show up on your credit report. Then you're going to add all of that up so you know your total minimum payments you have to make every month on all your debts. So then you're going to take that total minimum monthly payment you have to make on all your debts and you're going to subtract it from the 45% of your income. So for example, let's say I make $10,000 a month. 45% of that is $4,500. So I'm going to take $4,500 as a starting number. Now, if all of those minimum debt payments are $1,000 a month, I am going to subtract that $1,000 out of that $4,500, which is 45%. I hope you're following along here. So that leaves me with $3,500. So now this $3,500 that we came from by taking 45% of your income, subtracting all of your minimum monthly payments out of it, left with $3,500. Now we know essentially what the maximum monthly mortgage payment is that you're probably going to qualify for. So this is just potentially the maximum mortgage payment you'll qualify for, but let's take it a step further and see what that means as far as purchasing power. Now, if you multiply that bottom line by 177, this is actually going to give you a rough range of the price you might qualify for using FHA financing with a minimum down payment. Obviously, if you're going to put more money down, or if you use conventional financing, and there's lots of other factors that could come into play and affect that number, but this is to at least give you a quick way to come up with a rough estimate to see if you're even in the ballpark of what you want. Now, if you want real numbers though, or if you want to learn more about how to buy a home, make sure to follow me here, and click the free consultation link in my bio.